A man in the middle attack is a kind of attack that makes it look like there are different ways to man in the middle attack. There are different techniques that man in the middle attack takes. But the most common one is an evil twin. What is an evil twin? An evil twin, it looks like a Wi-Fi or a network. Let me use Wi-Fi because the Wi-Fi is a network. A Wi-Fi that resembles the real Wi-Fi. Let's say you have a Wi-Fi and the name is Abdul Salam. And I now decide to create another network named Abdul Salam. But on my own network, if people connect to it, I use it to exploit them by collecting their data and anything that I feel I can use to threaten them or to make financial gain from it. But yours is the real one. So that is an example of a man in the middle attack. Most people will not know and they will click on my own. And then I've exploited them depending on the technique I'm using. But yours is the real one. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Back to the roles. We have a forensic analyst. A forensic analyst. Do you guys used to watch movies? Do you watch NYPD, LAPD, all those detective movies?
Yeah. Yes.
You notice that when somebody dies or maybe when there is maybe an attack or something, they call somebody in and the person looks at things and be like, oh, this is what happened and this looks like what happened and this looks like what happened. Basically, that's a forensic analyst. In the cybersecurity world, what happens is that maybe if there's an attack, we call a forensic analyst so that they can pinpoint timelines, they can pinpoint dates and actions that occurred for an attack to happen. Do you understand? So
Yes,
yeah,
ma'am.
more like what's the name of this cartoon? Is this Scooby-Doo and the mysterious gang? You're always searching for clues. That's a forensic analyst.
Okay.
Then we have the GRC analysts. These are the people that make policies. They are the, like, let's say they are the government of cybersecurity because they are the ones that make the policies. They are the one that says, oh, this is what is allowed now. This one is out of date. Replace this one with this one and all those. They are not really technical. They are not really, some GRC are technical people and some are not. It's really okay. But foundationally, they deal with policy and risk management so that they are able to tell you, oh, if you go ahead with this is the risk you face and all that. So as we are going down, you see there are also very meaty and gritty roles in cybersecurity, like a threat responder. A threat responder actually responds to threats alone. They just sit down and when they threats, they respond to threats. There are ones that are hunters rather. Those ones they go to search for the threats. Like they will discover that oh, there's a new vulnerability. It's actually mixed. Sometimes they behave like ethical hackers. They see that oh, there's a new threat or there's something new. Okay, Noble, your hand is up.
Okay. So, what's the full meaning of GRC?
GRC, that's governance, risks, and compliance.
All right. Thanks.
Yeah. So a governance, risks, and compliance, as you can see what it entails, governance, risks. They're just there to make sure you are on point, you are keeping to the standard.
Okay, so they're the lawmakers of the cybersecurity.
Yeah, they are the lawmakers of the cybersecurity world. They are the governors, them. They're them. Yes. So I want to give you guys just one activity from this this class that we had, and is that you're going to research types. I hope you guys are writing. It's not here.
Yeah.
Okay. You're going to research on 4 different types of malware other than the one that is written here. Let me go back so that you see the ones that is written here. Are you seeing the malware?
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Okay. So you're going to research on 4 others other than these ones because they are much more than the ones that are here. And as I told you guys in the onboarding class, in as much as I'm here to teach you guys the technical part of cybersecurity, I'm also going to develop your soft skills. And one of the soft skills of a cybersecurity analyst is research. You guys should be able to research. There's some things you should not ask me first or the course advisor. You're just going to research on it first, and let it be you did not see it, you now came back, because that's what we are trying to develop too. I hope you guys understand.
Yes. We do.
Okay, so I really want you guys to ask questions because you guys are going to go back and read this course. I want you guys to enroll in it. Enroll. I want to see your badges. I want to see your badges. The class, this is like the first week of the class, so everything is still calm. The chaos has not yet started. So you guys should take your time, go through that course. That course you can if you don't have anything doing, you can get it done in a day. If you have things doing, 3 days max, you're done with that course because most of the things they are very self-explanatory. Because on Friday, I want you guys to come with questions. That's the Friday class. You guys should come with a lot of questions for me to answer from this introduction to cybersecurity.
Limited to the introduction to cybersecurity.
Yeah, if you want to broaden your scope, you will, but you will have to carry your classmates along. That's the issue.
Okay.
Yes, but anything you don't understand at all, I want you to write it because that Friday class is going to be a lot of questions. Then we are not going to talk about um attacks that has happened, like big attacks that has happened, like Equifax and the rest of them, WannaCry, all those other attacks that have happened to show you the impact of not using cybersecurity and how little it can in how little something as simple as misconfiguration can cause problem, very big problems in the cybersecurity space.
Okay.
Yes. So this introduction to cybersecurity class is very, very simple. I hope you guys understood. If you don't have, ask questions, oh please. Ask questions, ask what is expected of you, ask everything. I want so that you don't say I didn't know or something like that. Please.